Hey, what's up, fellas? Yes, it's me. Are you sick of applying for the entry-level IT jobs and never hearing back? Here's the truth. Some of the fastest ways into tech don't even have IT in the title. If you're good with your hands, love fixing things, and want to get paid real money to do real tech work, this job might be the perfect fit for you. Let's talk about one of the most overlooked IT skill-based jobs that actually hires fast. I'm talking about the field service technician. So what the job actually is. As a field service technician, you are the go-to person when technology breaks in the real world. What do I mean by that? You will travel to offices, stores, warehouses, wherever the equipment lives, and fix it on site. This could mean setting up desktop or laptop systems, fixing printers, replacing point-of-sale systems, troubleshooting internet issues, or installing new hardware. You'll often work independently, but you're backed by a remote team or a dispatcher. This is a physical, hands-on role and perfect if you're not a fan of being stuck behind a desk all day. Field technicians are hired in industries like retail, healthcare, finance, and logistics. Basically anywhere that has hardware and cannot afford downtime. So what sort of skills do you need for this? You'll use core IT skills such as hardware troubleshooting, swapping out drives, power supplies, RAM, basic networking, configuring IP addresses, testing connectivity, Windows operating systems such as Windows 11, setup and support, peripheral devices like printers, barcode scanners, and routers. Guys, soft skills matter here too. You'll need clear communication with non-technical users, professionalism because often you're the only tech on site, strong time management, and problem-solving skills. Let's talk about salary, benefits, and growth. Entry-level field technicians earn between $25 to $30 per hour in the United States, depending on your location. Many full-time roles offer healthcare insurance, PTO, 401k contribution plan, company vehicle, or mileage reimbursement, and gear allowances. Over time, you can level up into desktop support, network technician, or junior sysadmin because you're already doing foundational work that transfers. So who is this job for? Former electronic retail workers, repair technicians, or a smart home installer? People who enjoy hands-on work more than screen time. Anyone who has done gig tech work, for example, Best Buy or Hello Tech, those with strong customer service background who are ready to level up into technology. Let's talk about the resume strategy. Don't just list certifications. Describe what you have done that shows your hands-on ability. Your example bullet points can be installed and configured PC workstations for small business clients, perform on-site diagnostics and repair for 10 plus client location weekly. Or you can say resolve printers and network issues using basic troubleshooting tools. I have created a customized resume just for this specific role. Don't forget to download it. It's in the description. Here are some real job listings. Right now, you can find field service technician role posted on Indeed. Look for field technician or desktop field technician. Also look for contractor listings on LinkedIn and Dice. So what are some common job titles to search for this job? Use these search terms when you're doing your job hunting. IT field technician, hardware support technician, on-site desktop technician, entry-level field engineer. So what kind of certification do you need for this? Guys, CompTIA A+ is still the gold standard for this kind of role. OEM certifications like Dell, Lenovo, or HP are also very helpful. And I'll tell you what, a lot of companies pay for it. Google IT support certification is a good foundational proof. But if you don't have any certifications yet, highlight your real-world experience, repair skills, or even personal projects. Guys, many field roles care more about what you can do than what certification you have. So here's my final thoughts on this. This job isn't just a plan B. This is a real path into IT that builds your resume, pays the bills, that's more important, and teaches you skills most help desk technicians never touch. So if you've been stuck applying to online IT roles with no results, you need to pivot to where the demand is. Your first tech job doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to get you in, and this one does. So that's it, folks. If you like this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share it with somebody who's struggling to find a job right now. Let's help them out. Drop me a comment if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. Until next time, take care of yourself and others. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.